Sachin.
As one of the biggest days in the history of world cricket approached, Reliance Life with Zapac Solutions wanted to be prepared with an equally big impact in the web sphere. While Sachin's retirement was a personal call, another man must retire with him, his greatest fan, Sudhir. Was Sudhir prepared for this sudden retirement? Did he have a plan in place? Was he insured? Reliance Life, as one of the leading insurance groups in the country, decided to support Sudhir with his retirement. With this resolve began the influencer outreach program to make this communication reach at least 1 million people, all centered around the hashtag #GreatestFan. The real challenge? How do we break through the clutter of communication that fills the web sphere around this epic day and trend when 6 out of 10 trends were around Sachin, including official BCCI's hashtag #ThankYouSachin, which was displayed continuously on Twitter, hashtag SRT200 by broadcaster and many others. Challenge was to cut the clutter and overtake them without paid social media ads. The solution came in the form of a strategic mix of earned media, paid media and owned media. However, we decided to activate paid media only after organic earned media traction is achieved to create tight impact and end it with a physical activity to round up a massive impact. Day 1. We started with 2 avid Twitter influencers heavy on cricket talking to 11,000 followers each. And then few biggies engaged organically. So on day 1, hashtag #GreatestFan as an owned property caused enough stir to trend in Mumbai in 45 minutes and nationally in 90 before finally trending at number 1 nationally, even above the official BCCI hashtag. Day 2. Once we had garnered enough organic traction, we decided to stay on the pitch and hit harder, following into the God's footsteps. Utilizing the paid media such as banner ads, Facebook ads, sponsored hashtag and sponsored tweets made our reach even wider. We asked people on digital to spot Sudhir and reply back at Reliance Life handle. And they did. From Wankhede Stadium to spotting him when he appeared on the TV screens, people waited with their mobile cameras to spot him to help with his retirement plan. The engagement grew to the extent that we trended at number 1 yet again on day 2. Day 3. It was time to go all out and get everyone in the spirit. It was time for the big figital blow. It was time for the hashtag #GreatestFan tweet up.
And this is a small initiative for not Sachin, but Sachin's greatest fan. So I am Adarsh and I'm the greatest host at the Greatest Fan tweet up. And I'm going to ask you, just pass the mic, introduce yourself, but add the word greatest to it. With the
Right. The greatest thriller, once started, comes with a warning, not for the faint-hearted, not for you. So yeah.
Well, I'm Shraddha. I'm the greatest daughter, I think, of my parents. I'm as humble as the greatest player that we just saw, and I love my parents. So.
Tag and then greatest fan. Okay? Put your beer down. Finish tweeting. Greatest fan hashtag. To take care of him and all the Indian players till World Cup 2015. So I request you to please go to Reliance Life Insurance Facebook page, if possible now, and tweet for a cause. All you need to do is just go to the app.
Result? Yes, you got it right. Trending at number 1 yet again on day 3. So from the organic outreach to utilization of paid media to YouTube presence to the impactful tweet up, we stayed on the pitch with the God himself all 3 days and created history alongside. All thanks to the outreach, now Sudhir is taken care of for at least 2 years to come. Guess who's Reliance Life's greatest fan now?